In this video, I'm going to show you how to disable auto-embedded video links when pasting in OneNote so you can stop OneNote from automatically pulling in online content when you just want to paste clean text, notes or links. This is a super useful setting if you use OneNote for work, school, or personal organization and want more control over what gets added to your pages. If this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple software guides just like this. Let's jump right in. First, open OneNote on your computer. Once OneNote is open, look to the top left corner of the window and click File. This will open the Backstage or Settings area where you can change account and app preferences. From the left sidebar, scroll down until you find Accounts, and then select Accounts. Depending on your version of OneNote, this may appear near the bottom of the sidebar. This is where Microsoft stores account-related options and privacy controls. Now look underneath the Account Privacy section and click Manage Settings. This is the area where OneNote lets you control what kind of connected experiences are allowed inside the app. If you've been getting automatic embedded video previews or online content when pasting, this is the setting you need to change. After that, scroll down until you see the section labeled Experiences that download online content. This section is important because it controls whether OneNote is allowed to automatically pull content from the internet when you paste certain items into your notes. Once you find it, uncheck the box next to Experiences that download online content. By turning this off, OneNote will stop trying to download and embed online media automatically. That means when you paste content, you'll have a better chance of keeping things plain and simple instead of getting unexpected embedded video links or web previews. After unchecking the box, click OK to save the change. Then click OK again on the main options window to make sure everything is applied properly. Don't skip this part because closing the window without confirming can sometimes prevent the setting from saving. Finally, restart OneNote to fully apply the changes. This step is important because some privacy and content settings only take effect after the app has been restarted. Once OneNote opens again, the new setting should be active, and you should notice that it no longer auto-embeds online video links when you paste content. And that's it. You've now disabled auto-embedded video links in OneNote and taken control of how pasted content behaves inside your notes. If this video helped, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next quick tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.